So excited for Ferris Wheel Press Unboxing Day. And here we have three beautiful inks that are a part of the Book of Nights Fairy Tales collection. Panes of Peridot, Silent Stillwater, and Wisterlight. Wait till you see how gorgeous these inks are. Loving the shimmer and the shades, so very incredible. The Peridot has a pistachio base and a rose gold shimmer. The Silent Stillwater has an ocean blue base, a red sheen, and a gold pink shimmer. The Wisterlight is an indigo base with a green pink shimmer. Oh, so wonderful.